Hi guys, today we're going to give the CCI Standard a new chance in the ransom rest. Because last time it was my mistakes that didn't make this cartridge shine. Because I hadn't tightened the knobs on the ransom rest good enough. But today I have checked and double checked, so it's really good secured in the rest. So without further ado, let's just start shooting. Yeah, a retest with the CCI Standard. And today I checked and double checked that everything is tight. No movement anywhere. Last time when I came home, I could see the ransom rest was going up and down. That's no good. So I hope we'll do even better today. It didn't do bad last time, but I hope we're gonna do even better today. I start with 5 rounds just to prep the barrel. I don't think I need it because the last cartridge I shot was the top shot, which essentially is a CCI Standard, but I'll do it just to be safe. I would call this a good start. I probably didn't need to shoot 5 rounds to prep the barrel. This seemed pretty prepped to me. And I guess you know it, but the CCI Standard is a 40 grain lead round nose bullet. And in a rifle, it leaves the muzzle at around 1080 feet per second. And in real life, a little bit slower. In this pistol, I guess it's around 850 feet per second. But I'm not chroning today because I'm just interested in accuracy when it comes to competition pistols. So I can't say for sure what the velocity is in the Feinwerkbau. That doesn't look too good, does it? Not good, not good at all. I think this was the first round. And it might be a 4+1 syndrome. That second group was nowhere near as good as the first one. But that is a budget price ammo for you. You sometimes get these really nice tight groups. And in the next group, as you can see, you can get a really bad one. And then again, maybe in this group, you get a really good one. Let's see. No. I won't say that this test is any better than the last test with the ransom rest loose in its bolts. It's actually a bit worse, I think. We're not going to stop at 3 groups. We're going to shoot a few more. I'm not sure that this is the same lot as the last test I did. But I just picked it out of the ammo closet. But usually CCI Standard doesn't have much variation between lots. They usually have a good quality control. Yeah, from here it doesn't look like a ragged hole anyway. Ooh, it just keeps getting worse. What? Okay, let's do a couple more 5 rounds groups. If this group doesn't impress me, I'm not going to waste a lot of more cartridges on this. Yeah, I would say that the former test I did with the ransom, where the knobs wasn't tightened, actually was better than this. A lot better, actually. But again, it might not be the same lot. Come on. can already see from here. That's not in the same hole. It did tighten up a bit. So yeah, we'll do one more. Let's see if we can get a good group on our last attempt. This is more what I expect from the CCI Standard. It has split the group in two, with a 2 group and a 3 group, but all in all, that's pretty decent. We'll do one more. Maybe we should end it with a 10-shot group. Yeah, I think so. It's funny how the groups are sometimes. This looks like it's at a perfect 45 degrees angle. How come it's like this? I just realized I have 10 rounds left in the box. There's no point going home with 10 rounds. We'll do one more 10-rounder. Maybe you can get a group the other way. Maybe I should have shot it in the same place so we could get an X. And if you're still with me, that should indicate that you like my videos. And in that case, press the like button, it's somewhere here, and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment. Do you shoot the CCI Standard? Are you happy with it? Let me know. I try to answer everybody in my broken English. The first 5 rounds actually looks quite okay from here. With my old, in need of new glasses eyes. It seems like you have 7 in a nice little group and 3 flyers. But I actually think this group is a little bit smaller than this group, even if it looks worse. Well, I'm gonna measure it and see what's what.